Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Geo for Geography. Myself Akshay Guru. So today I am here with one, the presentation that would help you while writing an answer. And this particular video is just trying to explain you the benefits of फॉरेस्ट वेरी सिंपल टॉपिक्स सी सो द थिंग इज कि यहाँ पे मैं आपको कोई एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं देने वाला हूँ. The thing is, I'm just trying to explain you how in an effective manner you can remember this benefits of the forest, right? And you can even represent in the examination so that evaluator finds some kind of, the different attitude of yours, innovative approach to represent the same fact. So this video is all about this discussion, right? You can have, the screenshot of this in advance, तो आपको वो भी help कर देगा. And equally on the website Geo for Geography, you will find the screenshot is already available. So topic is benefits of forest. Now for the case of forest, you will find that like for the human being benefits, these benefits are like in two ways. एक तो डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट्स है और एक है इनडायरेक्ट बेनिफिट्स है. तो जब भी हम आंसर राइट करेंगे वी विल ट्राई टू रिफ्लेक्ट आवर ब्रॉड अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट और द मल्टी डिमेंशनल अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट द सेम टॉपिक. तो डायरेक्ट भी और इनडायरेक्ट भी यू विल गेट एग्जामिनर विल रियलाइज कि अबाउट योर डिफरेंट मल्टी डिमेंशनल एटीट्यूड एज वेल. सो पहला देखो डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट क्या है. दैट एज pretty much aware about it, ensure the food security and nutritional security. Equally it provides the animal fodder, right? तो पहला वाला point है. Second, it provides you enough resources. Forests are like the powerhouse of the resources. तो resources आपको मिलेंगे timber, then non-timber resources or minor forest produce as well, those one. Then forest provides employment, gainful employment is equally result of this forest and vegetation. Then economic security to the natives by means of ensuring their own livelihood. Equally tourism and some other aspect, तो यहाँ से भी होगा. Then it is the forest in fact the facilitator of industrialization. अगर देखोगे कि कहाँ पर industrialization हुआ है तो generally it is in and around the periphery of the river, forest and the natural topographical features. So yes, forests are the facilitator of industrialization process. Equally medicinal plants you will find in the forest. तो pharmaceutical industry यहाँ से भी benefit है, health benefits भी दिख रहे हैं. Energy security that it offers you, the fuel wood या और भी जो reserves है you will find from the forest. The source of revenue, yes, for the state government from the economic point of view, forest offers you a source of revenue. So yes, वहाँ से ये होगा. These are all direct benefit you can add on your own. Indirect benefits of this forest, there are many and more significant, I would say rather. Like that forests are like a culture, they are like identity for the tribes. देखो आप देखोगे कि forest for the tribals, forest is like their god, है ना. So they define themselves by means of the forest itself. Tree itself, sarna dharma अगर आपको पता होगा तो that it gives huge significance to the salt tree. तो ये भी एक पॉइंट है. So it defines the culture, tribe, herdsman and rural areas, they have intimate connect with the forest. तो यहाँ पे cultural geography जो है, cultural aspect जो है वो भी connect हो रहा है with the forest. Then you will find they are like the protector of और फ्रॉम द नेचुरल हैजार्ड्स. जब वेजिटेशन कोस्टल होगा तो साइक्लोन सुनामी जैसे इम्पैक्ट हो प्रिवेंट करेगा. इक्वली यू विल फाइंड फ्लड का इम्पैक्ट कम करेगा, ड्राउट का इम्पैक्ट कम करेगा, हीट वेव्स इसका इम्पैक्ट कम करेगा दिस फॉरेस्ट. सो यू विल फाइंड this forests are natural protector from the hazards. Then soil enrichment you will find that is equally offered by the forest by means of humus, organic matter and all other nutrients and living matter equally. Then it maintains meso and microclimate, that it maintains mesoclimate and microclimate as well, because meso in a sense like that for a small range of distance or region ये ensure कर रहा है जितना भी forest होगा. microclimate अगर वो उस small regions में conservation reserves है, community reserves है, तो वहाँ पे microclimate is equally maintained जिसमें temperature, pressure, wind, humidity and all those atmospheric ingredients are maintained by this forest vegetation. Then it equally a controller of soil erosion. So see, these are what the benefits of forest and like in terms of direct and indirect benefits. I hope this video, okay, this diagrammatic presentation is pretty much clear to you and will be helpful while writing an answer. So this is all about for today, guys. Thank you. And if you really like this video, like it, share and subscribe to our channel.